Boots on the ground, put it down, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Best-selling author, best-selling researcher, Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. On The Scoop today, my friends, I'm going to tell you about some buy signals that came across while I was gone on vacation. You guys know that long-awaited trip for taking the Grand to Disneyland and having all that fun occurred, my friends, and it was fantastic. That's all I'm gonna say about it. It was fantastic. She said, "Best trip ever, Paw. Best trip ever." That's what the granddaughter said. So it was all good. Anytime you can get your family out, you can enjoy it, my friends, and have a great time. It's one of the still a magic place, ladies and gentlemen. It's still a magic place. A little pricey, but that's why we trade baby knockouts. Originally, you know what this was about. This was about our vacation money and getting our vacation money, and that's what the Scoop was all about. And some have graduated to doing much bigger things than just making money for vacations, and we're happy to see that here. In a second, my friends, I'm gonna some of these stocks, like I said, have kicked out some buy signals. I'm gonna go. It's an easy, simple little thing. I'm gonna show you right on the charts, and you'll see exactly what I'm seeing, and you'll see what's going on, my friends. I hope you and your family are well. If you are a private student, you on the 24th, before I went on vacation, there should be a newsletter in your mailbox. Double check your mail. Make sure, my private students, make sure you have that, because there's an emphasis on gold and silver. There's some gold baby knockouts, some silver baby knockouts, like about 7 or so gold baby knockouts, about 7 or so, 6 or so, baby knockouts that are producers. I'm sorry, not they're gold and silver mixture, producers and explorers also. So with an emphasis on the producers right now, because when the gold price goes up and the silver is going to follow, silver's going to outperform. You guys know that, it always does. But if you've never been in a silver market there where gold and silver were doing well, you'll have an opportunity also. Guys, but I want to stick with uranium. We're gonna stick with uranium here because I've got some stuff I want to show you here. But for my private students, that newsletter is out, and people have been asking me, Mickey D, when are you going to start talking? Because gold and silver are like on deck right now. So it's just a matter of time. But how to invest in uranium now is out there with 10 uranium stocks in there. My top 10, I put it out there. I'll put my top 10 against anyone's top 10 out there, and this is my third uranium bull market. And the one stock that, I'll tell you one stock that I've always taken with me to the date on my arm, and she's done very, very well. Ladies and gentlemen, you will be surprised here. You won't be surprised if you've been with me for a while. Marijuana today, vanadium, and uranium tomorrow. Companies get an early, hold, and grow rich. This little mini book right here has made people a fortune because I put those companies in there, some of those uranium companies. Also, you guys know we have our lithium trade right now. And we have our lithium penny stocks. Low risk, high reward investing is out there right now with the lithium penny stocks. Invest in lithium baby knockouts now is out there. And let's talk about what we came here to talk about. That's the uranium buy signals right now. Uranium right now, guys. What's going on is this bill. We've got a Senator Manchin on board from West Virginia in the United States of America. It looks like a bill that's going to have a boatload of money supporting clean energy, and in particular supporting uranium, is going to pass. Now, it ain't over till it's over, right? It's not really good English, but you understand what I'm saying. It's not over until the you can't really use that one. You just say until the last out is made, or until the clock strikes 0, it's not over. So we want that bill to pass, and we want a lot of dinero to go to the uranium sector, because right now, Russia's got to be cut off. You guys, and I told you in the book, it's nothing new to a lot of I wrote about this in this little book. Where does Russia fit in chapter 4, this little mini book right here. Marijuana day, vanadium, uranium, come on, companies get it early, hold, and grow rich. I talked about that, guys. I talked about the Japanese, with their restarts and what's going to happen. And then I gave you the companies. Guys, I gave you this. This was copywritten in 2019. So we had to wait. We were waiting to put a little something out on uranium and vanadium and leading up to this big, giant resource commodities bull market. And it's here. It's on our doorstep right now. And we have a chance to really knock it out the ballpark, in 2004, 2007. Yeah, I wish I had more shares of some of these stocks, but I didn't. But they went up so much, I did extremely well. 2011 leading up, 2010, I was loading up on these things. And when Fukushima hit, that knocked us all out the ballpark. Well, we're there again, guys. Production, everything, demand, supply, demand issues, supply chain issues, the whole nine. The fuel cycle's jacked up. Everything is messed up around. These things are going. It's just a matter of time when these things are going to go sky high. Some people say, Mickey D, it's over. It's over. Some guy, it's over. It's over. I can't give you credit for your name saying, I'll give you another time. But it's over. It's over. It's not over. It's just getting started, guys. We're going to take a look at these companies, and we're going to take a look at these buy signals right now, guys. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you on board. In addition to that, my friends, I want you to definitely hit that bell, because a lot of you aren't being notified about my videos and stuff. It is what it is on that. My numbers will stay the same and all that different stuff, man. I don't know what's going on. I've tried to wiggle and do some other things, and kind of, go out and diversify a little bit on YouTube. It ain't working. I'm going to stick with my guns. I'm going to stick with my bread and butter, like I said before. Let's take a look at these charts, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at our leader, Cameco. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to break this down. You guys know we love the 200-day moving average. And a lot of these stocks are under their 200-day moving average. But on a short to midterm, they're kicking out a buy signal. Let me tell you, I've used this signal for years and years and years. This is the 13-day moving average, which is this red right here. You see that red line right there? When that red line crosses the 48-day, which is this, it could be blue or purple line right here. When it crosses up above that line, it's a buy. When it crosses below that line, it's a sell. Right now, this red line, this 13-day moving average, is crossing above the 48-day moving average. It's kicking out a buy. Now, this happened the last few days, guys. This happened while I was on vacation this past week. And it's a good thing to see, because oftentimes we come down and we retest and then we're off to the races. So let's see how this is our leader, Cameco. Now let's take a look at our baby knockouts. This is our leader, Cameco. Now let's look at UEC, Uranium Energy Corp. They lost out, I believe, on that bid for UEX. I don't know now. Mar and Nadi might have, these guys might have something under their sleeve there. They're an all-star team there. But I think they lost out on the bid for UEX. But as you can see, the 13-day moving average is creeping up, and it has crossed the 48-day moving average. The stock is up, trading nicely. We will see how that goes. Once again, guys, these are short-term, mid-term signal here with UEC. Speaking of Denison also, the 13-day is up over the 48-day here. We're crossing over, and it looks like it's going to come down and test, and potentially we could be off to the races. Guys, there's a lot of variables here. It depends on the market. If the market crashes back down again, no, we're going to go with the market. These are stocks, and they do go down. But Denison, I have bought to my last, uranium bull markets, the last two. It's a winner. That's all I can say. Look at previous Denison videos, guys, and you'll see. Global Atomic in Africa, perfect cross. of the 13-day over the 48. This is early on, guys. It's the first week of this stuff happening here. I was on vacation, and it's just happening. That's Global Atomic. Next Gen. These are all baby knockouts, guys, that we got at under a quarter. A quarter, 35 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 40 cents. We got them all in this area. Now Next Gen is $4.24, and it still owns shares of this thing, guys. And I told you in the book, you buy them and you hold them. That's what you do with these. They'll make you millionaires, billionaires, gazillionaires. This is Fission. Guys, Fission has a big asset out there. Sooner or later, it may be mine. We'll see. They did get some approval here a while back. It's a long-term shot, guys. Your Fission is up right by its 48-day. The 13 is just right there. We'll see how that pans out here in the next few days. We'll see, guys. UR Energy is same as Fission, right up there, going right up against the 48-day and the 13 are right there. It could trade sideways for a little while. We want to see that 13-day crash up above that. And then we'll know we'll have a short-term, mid-term buy, and it'll be on and popping, guys. Peninsula Energy. We want to know there it's right in the area, same way. It has not gone over. A lot of people like the 100-day up here. A lot of people like the 200-day. We do too. But we like to get it as early as we can when it's showing a buy signal. And right now, the 13-day crossing the 48. Let's just see how it goes. Some technicians use it and some don't. Some say all indicators are lagging and they're baloney, and sometimes they are. But we know companies like Boss Energy is what we're looking at right now. Boss Energy is crossing, the 13-day is crossing this 48-day moving average. And we'll see. Boss is going to be one of those that we believe is going to be one of the first producers out of the gate here this cycle. Deep Yellow, also over in Africa. Deep Yellow, the 13-day is crossing the 40. You guys getting the idea. Crossing the 48-day. That is a buy signal. Once we get a retest, and we could be off to the races, guys. Let's see how it works. Let's do one more. Encore Energy, one of our favorite baby knockouts. We picked it up at, 12 cents or 10 cents or 8 cents or something. I don't know. Look at the video, guys. Its 13-day is crossing over its 48-day moving average. It's trending up. We'll see. Has it gone too far, too fast here with Encore Energy? I don't know. We will see. It's got to come back down. I think it's going to retest that 13-day, and then we could be off to the races. This is the idea behind a lot of these stocks, guys, are looking the same way. Once again, the crossover there with UEC looking great. Denison looking great. Global Atomic looking great. Next Gen right up above it. It's right there, right on the doorstep. Fission is right on the doorstep. UR Energy is right on the doorstep. Peninsula is right on the doorstep, guys. Boss Energy is crossing as we speak. Deep Yellow is crossing as we speak. And Encore is crossing right now as we speak. Guys, let's see how these things hold up, and let's see how they work out. Guys, love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. I'll have some links for you. I'll have some additional videos. You got to hit those videos right now. Hit it right now. Hit it right now. So you can see some of those other videos. And good, knock them out, guys. Knock them out. This is our turn. This is our turn. Uranium's our turn. We've been waiting for uranium for a long time. And we've got Senator Manchin on board. We've got the United States government on board. We've got the wind to our back, guys. We're going to knock this thing out. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.